Hey guys, it's time to open this package. Let's see. So I had to try it because, why not? It's the viral jumpsuit that snatches you. So I am going to try this on for you. I hope that I got the right size. I got an extra large. I'm not sure if we're supposed to like size down on these. But let me put it on and you can see for yourself. Hang on. All right, guys, so tell me what you think. It makes the booty look good. So we compare it different ways. I have this right here. And if you're gonna go somewhere, this is pretty cute. Just put this, and I think you could either do like these kind of boots or these. Let me put these on real quick. Hang on. All right, guys, so what do you think? I have it with these boots or these. I'm gonna be getting some in this color longer, so those might be a better fit, but what do y'all think? And then I have another inspiration. Hang on, let me put that one on. All right, guys, and this is the second look. If you can see the heels I have. If you're just gonna go out with your friends, I think it looks super cute. Make sure to click the link below and get your jumpsuit, get snatched, and follow me for more.